Hello everyone, in 5 minutes I will show you how to create simple calculator in Java. Before go to project, please like, share and subscribe our channel. For example, 45 is multiplied by 8 equal to what? This. Okay, clear this one. 18 divided by 8 equal to this one. 10 multiplied by 5 equal to 15. So go to the project, close this one and go to Java, new file or new project. For example, Java application. Next, and this one name is, for example, calculation. Okay, finish this one. Okay, so clear this one and go to clear also this. Go to right, go to calculation, click on calculation, right click new Java frame form. For example, calculator. Okay, go to finish. So after that, so decrease the width and go to what? Go to panel and bring on here. Sorry, delete this one. Go to what? Go to text field and bring in here. Okay, so first clear the text and go to and click on this one. For example, text will be font or 40 or 80 pixel. Okay, so after that go to plate and click on the button, radio button, no button, click on the button and bring here. Okay, so increase the size. For example, right click and go to text. Which one? I want to give 1 and increase the size. Okay, hold Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. Duplicate this one, right click, go to edit text, for example 2. After that, Ctrl plus C, hold Ctrl plus V and Ctrl Z, click on the button and bring in here, right click, edit text. For example 3. After 3, so I'm increase the width. For example, hold Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V and bring on here and decrease the size. No, decrease, no, edit text plus. Okay, after that Ctrl plus hold Ctrl and select all the button and hold Ctrl plus V. What minute? This not will be good design. I decrease the size or a little. Ctrl plus Z. No, select this one, Ctrl or Shift. Hold Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V. 1 minute. Select in all or bring here, right? So right click, edit text. For example, 304, right click, example 5 and right click, edit text 6 and go to text in, for example, minus. Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V. Okay, bring in here. Right click, edit text, for example 7, right click, edit text 8, right click, edit text 9 and right click, edit text divide. Control, hold control and select all these. Control C, Control V. Okay, bring in here. Right click, edit text. For example, dot. Right click, edit text, 0. Right click and go to this one. For example, equal. And right click, multiply. Okay, after that. So after that, another button, hold Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V and go to here, or for example right click, edit text, clear. Okay, so first I want to run this one. Go to calculator and run file. So this is will bring. If I select on the button, this also will write what in here in the on the text box. Okay, so if you want to increase or give other style, style is optionally. Okay, for example, close this one and go to this one, and first change variable name and change text box name. Change, for example, TB. Okay, this one. Okay, when I click on the button, one will be right on the text box. In the text box, right click on the button, go to event, action performed. Okay, so first I write for this one, for example, TB dot set text and TB dot get text. 1 minute. TB dot get text. Okay, and this one plus double quotation 1. Okay, so right click and go to run the file. Okay, lesson 1. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, TB dot set text, first text, and then get 1 plus 1. Okay, so I copy. Okay, copy this one and go to right click, event, action performed. Control V, hold Ctrl plus V and change to, for example, go to design, right click, event, action performed, and clear this one, Ctrl plus V and, for example, 3. Okay, so go to design and right click, perform, action performed, and go to right click, Ctrl plus V and, for example, 4. Go to design, right click, action, and 5. Go to design, for example, right click, event, action performed, and clear this one, Ctrl plus V, 6. Okay, design and right click, action performed, hold Ctrl plus V, 7. Okay, go to design and right click, event, action performed, hold Ctrl plus V and go to right and 8. Okay, so go to design and right click the last button, event or action performed, and set, hold Ctrl plus V and go to 9. For example, button dot action performed. Ctrl plus V and, for example, dot. Okay, so go to design and right click, event action performed, Ctrl plus V and change the 0. So this is the button. So go to run the file, for example run. So first I write some code for clear action performed. Okay, so clear this one. For example tb.setText. Okay, tb.setText equal to blank semicolon, and go to right click run file. Okay, 1 minute. See, for example 45 clear 45, for example this one or some text, some other text. If I click this one is multiplied by 2, equal show the result. Okay, for this one is go to what? Go to design and go to first I will code for plus, right click and go to event action performed. So action performed, first I get some variable, for example after Java JFrame. In here I get from public type because I want to access from anywhere. Public integer number 1 comma number 2 semicolon, or I get another variable for op or operator equal to null for now. Okay, so after that go to design event action performed. Okay, so first number 1 equal to integer dot parse int, for example tb dot get text in semicolon. Okay, op equal to op or operator equal to double quotation plus, okay, semicolon, and then for example against tb dot set text equal to blank double quotation. When I press the plus button, tb or text box must be blank. Okay, so go to in here, run the file. Okay, so go to, for example 55 plus 1 plus 60. If I click on the equal, show the result. Okay, so this is good for now. Copy this one, hold Ctrl plus C, go to design and right click event action performed and Ctrl plus V. An operator will be changed, for example minus. Okay, go to design, against right click and go to event action performed and select this one, Ctrl plus V, or select divide. Okay, after that multiple event action performed against, and go to what? Go to hold Ctrl plus V and for example multiple. Okay, multiply. Go to design. So I want run the file. Okay, listen, run the file. Okay, project will be run. For example 12 multiple by 8, click on the what? Clear. Okay, 89 divided by 4 equal to this one. So now I want to code for equal button. Equal is very easily. Okay, so first click on the equal event in action performed. I will use if condition. Okay, select this one in the text all. So 1 minute. If, okay, if op dot equal ignore case, okay, dot ignore case equal to double quotation plus, okay, equal to double quotation plus, and go to here and bring here. Okay, so after that number 2 in here, see the variable name number 2. I want to parse that. Okay, in number 2 equal to, listen, equal to integer dot parse int which one do you want to pass? Okay, which one? tb1 dot get text. For what? tb1 dot get text. tb means text box. Okay, so after that I want to set on the tb dot set text bracket, for example, string dot value of number 1 plus number 2. That will be work.